Well, hello there. Super excited to be here with you all today. And today we are going to talk about the marykay Illuminating bronzer. Can't wait to share this with you. So let's do this, shall we? Okay, girlfriend, let's talk about this new bronzer. It's so great. It is great light reflecting marbleized powder where your sun kisses your skin and gives you a gorgeous glow with no eyelid required. So I'm just excited to share this with you. It comes in two great shades and we are going to show both of them to you here. So let's show the shades. Let's show the shades. So these like I said is a special um limited edition illuminating bronzer. It has two great shades, so it just depends on your complexion which shade you would want to use. This first one that we are showing to you today is the deep glow. So this is going to be for probably beige to bronze type of skin tone. So just really quickly, so this is what it looks like on someone of a bronze skin tone, deeper bronze, kind of my complexion. And then this is someone of a lighter bronze. Now you notice that it's right on their cheekbone. As you can see, it's a bronzy type of color. It looks great on pretty much all of beige to bronze complexions. So if that is your complexion, this would be perfect for you if you just wanted to add a sun kiss glow to your look for this summer. It is a limited edition type of product. So once it's gone, girlfriend, it is gone. And you and we are I'll show you shortly how to apply this on your cheek in a few minutes. But I just wanted to show this first shade. As you can see, it is a shimmer, and you would just apply it like your cheek. It would replace your blush color or your cheek color for the summer. Okay. Now we've showed you the deep glow. Next, we're going to show you the medium glow. So this is going to be for folks that are beige or ivory skin tones. So the beige ladies can choose between either one. It just depends on which look they prefer. As you can see, it's just a little bit lighter, not as potent as that deep glow, but it still can be applied to your cheeks similar to a brush. So we have this here, and as you can see, they've put it a little bit up, a little bit higher, almost like a highlighter in this particular picture. You can use it like that too. So it either can be a highlighter or it could be used as a cheek color. But as you can see, that's where they've actually put it more of a highlighter here. And then on this picture here, you can see hers is kind of in a highlighter position before too, as the other one, the deep glow, the other models, they were more on the cheek color. Okay, so that's medium. So if I go to deep, come on. All right, so yeah, as you can see, they put it on their cheek, where the other models for the medium put it on as a highlighter. So again, it's really going to just be up to you, your preference, what you want to highlight, what God-given attribute you want to accentuate when it comes to applying the bronzer on as a cheek color or as a highlighter. And it can really give you that sun-kissed glow just for the summertime. Excellent for the summertime. So I told you that I promised you I was going to tell you exactly how to apply this. So I'm going to now just remove this screen so you can see just me here. When it comes to highlighting, well, really bronzer or highlighter, I like to use our cheek brush. As you can see, it's angled here. It's angled here. So it has a little indentation. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, this indentation here where you can push the brush hairs down to allow you to really expand the brush and allow you to put it on as a highlighter. So that's how you would do it here. Again, you wouldn't want to go past the pupil of your eye, and you would just blend it in right here. Right here up under your eye, above the apple of your cheek, excuse me. Now, if you're using this as a blush, you would want to use a fish mouth. So you could put it right on the apples of your cheeks and just blend it. Again, you don't want to go past the pupil of your eye, and you don't want to go all the way up here. So it's not coming up to your hairline. It's coming to right about where your eye level is. and just to kind of blend it in, similar to the models that we saw in the other picture. So I'm just going to let you show, I'm going to show that one more time so you can see what I'm talking about when it comes to that model. See how it's right on the apple of her cheek, and it doesn't go past her eye, as you can see. So if you want to use it as a cheek color, that's definitely how you would want to do it. And then if you want to use it as the highlighter, like I had mentioned before. All right, so if you want to use it as a highlighter, you see she has it, it goes a little bit past your cheek. It doesn't go all the way up to the hairline, just so you can see the difference, but it is right up under the eye, but not on the apple of the cheek. So you could use this, you could use the highlighter and then also still have a blush in addition to that. Just depends on what you want to accentuate in your actual look for that particular day, because everybody has different attributes that they absolutely love and want to accentuate. So because of that, that's why I'm going to show you both ways. So I would love to get your opinion on these two products. Try it out. Let me know what you think. We do have the Mirror Me app. So that is going to really allow you to put it on virtually. You know, guys, I'm all about that because we don't have samples of this, but you can try it virtually with the app. The app details are down in the description. So be sure to try that out. That way you can try before you buy. And then when you're ready to go, let me know and I'll get that out to you. And the cheek brush is a must to make sure that you have ease in application when you're putting it on. So get the app down in the description. Check out, if you decide to get the bronzer, make sure you have the brush to make sure the application is precisely put on, whether it's used as a highlighter or just a cheek color on your cheek. And share this with 3 friends because I know your girlfriends are going to want to have that sun-kissed glow for the summer. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.